Low ticket versus high ticket. How I'm going to break this down for you is very, very simple. If you're an online business owner right now and you're not running low ticket to feed your high ticket, you're making a massive mistake. A lot of you go straight to high ticket, and here's what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing high CPAs. I'm seeing low show rates. I'm seeing longer sales cycle. I'm also seeing lack of funding, because a lot of people have funding options for high ticket, but a lot of their funding is right now getting declined. It's because financial literacy is at an all-time low. Even if you get the client's instant approvals on funding, the interest rates are skyrocketing high. And if you depend on Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm, or private funding, it takes forever to get funded, and these companies are taking 10 to 20% easily. Now, there's a new platform that I found. It's called WAP. They take 6 to 9%, so look into that. Also, what I'm seeing is lack of trust with high ticket. And with all love aside, I sell high ticket myself, right? I'm not against high ticket completely, but if you go straight to high ticket from an ad, these things you're gonna suffer from. You just are. You're gonna have a longer sales cycle. People are gonna trust you as much. They're gonna try to look for other options. How do you avoid that, okay? Also, when you have high CPAs, you're gonna be forced to have more spend for the same results. It's less predictable. You're going to spend more money on ads. Your CPAs will keep hiking up. Your show rates won't change. Your sales cycle won't change unless you lower your prices or give a massive guarantee, right? And this is where I see this. I call them needy offers, because people will tell you things on the phone to get you to close because they want to sell you shit. So, I'm going to guarantee you, X, Y, and Z in the next 18 days, or you get your money back and we work for free until you do, and all this shit. And they can't fulfill on it. That's the problem, okay? Here's the different approach I have for you, which is low ticket, then to high ticket. Okay, this is what I currently do. I sell probably about 150 low ticket products per day in my own ecosystem. And these are $17, $27 with upsells and downsells. And I'm able to do one thing, okay? I can control my CPAs, because why? I'm self-liquidating my offers, or SLO, self-liquidating offers. 2 is I have higher show rates, because the people who book a call after they buy something is obviously going to be higher. They spent money with me. They know that their credit card's on file. 3, I have a shorter sales cycle, because why? Because by them actually purchasing the low ticket offer, I'm creating a problem for the avatar. You bought this thing so I could build trust, right? And this brings me to number 4 though, which is trust earned when it's delivered. A lot of people don't trust you because you haven't delivered anything yet. You just had them book a call. You got spammed with a bunch of automated messages. You got told to watch a homework video. You didn't buy shit beforehand. You didn't get to see what the delivery looks like. So now, if I control my CPAs, I can self-liquidate my ad spend. I get a higher show rates without doing or hiring a bunch of setters. My sales cycle is shorter because they're buying something right now. I don't have to wait a day for the sales call. I don't have to wait 3 days for the follow-up. I don't got to wait another 5 days for them to finally have money because they got to wait till Friday because they're poor. I can now also build trust. They bought something for $27, but the small things help. Okay, I spent $27 with them. They delivered a really good PDF to me, really nice course area, really good community. I trust them now. And that's a huge part. And that's going to be one of the other videos that's coming up very soon, which is about school. How I'm leveraging school right now that took us from $700K a month to over $1 million per month. How did I use school to do that? And then that brings me to the lack of funding. This is instant funding. There's no need for you now have to qualify somebody beforehand. They already bought something. Okay, this, we might not have all the cash funds, or they got to go get credit. They got to go apply for a new credit line, whatever it looks like. They're telling you it's the price, but it's really not. They just don't trust you. And that's why the low ticket piece is going to help you have more trust. Now we get to more spend, same results. We can now scale spend faster. Okay, let's say, for example, I'm spending $1,000 a day on this and $1,000 on this. If you go straight to high ticket, you might get 7 to 10 calls, right? half of them won't even show up. So now you got 3 combos and 1 is qualified. But if I spend $1,000, I can self-liquidate, 700 of it, get the same results, and I only spend $300 to get the same 1 qualified person. Now, these numbers are bare minimum. Like, if you have 3 combos, 2 should be qualified, 7 to 10, half should show. This is probably going to be more conservatively 5 combos, 2 are qualified. But if you have a self-liquidating offer at $700 out of the $1,000, you're getting $1,000 a day in results for $300 in ad spend. And the people are better quality. Which brings me to number 7 and the last piece, which is we don't have needy offers anymore. We have RDP offers. And what do RDP offers mean? Results-driven promise offers. The results-driven promise is predicated on how the low-ticket thing that you give them is then going to give them the high-ticket result. It's a results-driven promise offer. So now they don't want to do it all themselves because the low-ticket, and this is really what I like to pitch it as, is it's overwhelming. Okay, you give them a low-ticket offer that's overwhelming so that they have to cash in high-ticket for you to just do it for them on a DFY basis. It's the whole point. I'll give them a ton of stuff in the low-ticket to where they're like, okay, there's a results-driven promise. Now I'm overwhelmed. Now I have to buy high-ticket. And that's how it breaks down low-ticket versus high, especially going to 2025, 2026, and further. The buying behaviors of avatars are changing, and you need to be alert to that. So subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.